to set up TikTok sleep reminders. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up sleep reminders on TikTok. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to begin, open up TikTok, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner to head over to your profile. Once here, tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner and then select settings and privacy. Scroll down until you get to the option that says screen time. Now select sleep reminders. At the bottom, tap on setup. And here you can set your sleep times, whatever time you want to go to bed every night. Say for example, it's on 10 p.m, then tap on done. And then sleep reminders on TikTok can help you get ready for bed and stay asleep. When you set your sleep time, you'll get reminded if you reach your sleep time. To reduce distractions, push notifications are muted for 7 hours after your sleep time. Then if you decide that you don't actually want to get these reminders anymore, you can toggle this one off and on again whenever you need, or you can actually click on edit sleep time to go back in, and then say if it's the weekend and you want to stay up a bit later, you can change the sleep time and then tap on done. And that's what it takes to set up TikTok sleep reminders. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.